I'm back on how to make a house for Minecraft on Minecraft, and yeah, so you've seen me do all this. So let's go and put the wall up one by one, if you know what I mean, up like that. Oh, not with that though. With that, then we'll just set this. And yeah, fill all this in. And if you've done this, I forgot to say it in part one of the movie video, you can have different materials for the walls if you want, like wood, cobblestone, but I prefer or black, any colour of wool, but I prefer white wool. So yeah, because it looks nicer. See, so that's what that should look like. Then I'm going to put in walls. 2, 3. That's no, that there. This can be a bedroom, because it's not going to be a double. It's not going to be to have 2 floors. But when I make better one, other videos, it's going to have like mansions and all that. So yeah, I'm just going to put one bed there. Then take away the grass now. I'll put the walls in. So yeah, just keep filling this up. Oh, this one there. Then yeah, just you can add more rooms if you want. I'm just putting in this room, and then that can be like a kitchen there. Then that no, I meant that's the living room there. That can be the kitchen. So, but you can change it if you want. Don't mind. It's up to you. It's your game. So yeah, I'm going to put this here, there. So I'm on the roof right now. Right, so just keep filling this in. Yeah, and I'm going to put the furniture in. So after I've done the roof and put furniture in. So yeah, I'm going to do this. You can put the furniture wherever you want, but don't have to put it at the same place I'm putting it. So yeah, it's up to you. That's that part. Just need to change it back to this. There, let's do this. Sorry I wasn't talking there, I was just concentrating on this. I'm not used to talking and building at the same time. So, because it's my first Minecraft video. And yeah, but once I get on more, I'll probably talk tons of times. Like lots and lots. Oh, right there. Okay, so you can see it's a bit dark in here. So get torches and place them wherever you want to place them. I'll just place them randomly. So yeah, I'll put two above here and put one there. then go in here, put one above the bed, and then one above there, then get the door there. So you can, let me put the edge out. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. You can use any other leaves, it's up to you, but I'm just using these, it's easier to find. So yeah, that's that. Can get here, take this out, and get gravel, put this in. So yeah, so yeah, just put a couple more torches in. Oh, one of this. Put a torch here, and yeah, there, that should do. The torches, put one with it. Now I'm going to do what I said I was going to do, get a bookshelf. If I find them, don't need doors anymore, so get bookshelves. I'm putting them all along top here. Oh. So yeah, like that. Then yeah. So that's the bedroom done. Just take, yeah, just put the furniture here. So you can take all this away. So you probably won't need that unless you accidentally break something. So I need to get this piston, crafting thing. Oh, so yeah, put two there, then piston there. Oh, yep, there, then crafting table, there, then one more thing is, where is it? Try to find it.
What do you mean good, come on?
The video.
Good job, mate.
Right, sorry about that, it's Dad coming in. Right, then it's quite a lot, so I can put that there. Right, put the furniture down, built there. Right, let me get the signs, if I can find them. Use pressure plates for the doors, that's what I'm going to do in a minute. Find signs, how are they? Found them. Right, get signs, just that, there, that, and there, then that there, oh, there, and that, then get this, well, get this actually, then get glass, so I didn't need glass, and take away steps, don't need them anymore, then get picture frame, if I can find it. I found it. Right in the mint. So put that up one, then put the glass on it. If I can forget it. There. That's a bit close. Right. Put it back. There. That's better. Then get a sign. There. Then put a torch on top. So a torch. There. That's the TV. Lit up type thing. So yeah. It's quite cool. I learned off something. Can't remember what. Right. That's it. So right, thank you for watching me on this how to build a Minecraft video. Right, so yeah, that should do it. You can see the kitchen, see the TV and that. Thank you. Have a nice day.